V47 begins on slide 65 and covers the topic percent of change. Percent of change is modeled when you are shopping, for example, and you have a shirt that is marked at $50, and when you get to the register, you end up only paying $35 for it. The percent of change will show the sale markdown of the shirt. So from from $50 to $35, what percent was the shirt marked off? So it follows one simple proportion where you have the difference in the two amounts. So in this case, it would be 50 minus 35 over the original, and in this case, the shirt started at 50, equals the percent of change over 100. Well, we know the difference, we know the original, and that 100 is always our constant. So we need to find the percent of change, which would be x. So using this formula, 50 minus 35 is the difference, 15, over 50 equals x over 100. If you do cross products, it's going to be 1500 divided by 50, which will give you the percent of change, and that comes to 30% decrease. So the sale was a 30% decrease from the original cost of the $50 shirt. So percent of change is defined as the ratio of the amount of increase or decrease to the original amount. So increase, or percent of change that demonstrates an increase, would be when the original amount goes up, and a percent of change decrease would be when the original amount goes down. Slide 67 models two examples for you. So the first one gives the original amount at 20 and the new amount is 30. So the amount goes up, so I already know that the percent of change is going to be an increase, but by how much I don't know yet. So if I follow my formula, it's the difference, 30 minus 20, over the original, I started with 20, equals x over 100. If I do the cross products and divide, I get x equals 50. So therefore, from 20 to 30 is a 50% increase. On the other hand, the original amount starts at 40 and ends at 10. So it will be a percent decrease because the amount goes down from 40 to 10. So again, same formula, the difference over the original equals x over 100. So the difference is 40 minus 10 over the starting amount, which is 40, equals x over 100. So 40 minus 10 is 30, and you do your cross products and divide. X equals 75. So from 40 to 10 is a 75% decrease. So there's a couple examples on slide 68, and I've started the first one for you. The original amount is 45 and the new amount is 75. So I already know I'm going to end with a percent increase because I'm going up. So difference over original equals x over 100. The difference, and it doesn't matter that I'm starting with the second number because I just need to subtract the two. So 75 minus 45 is 30 over 45 equals x over 100. 30 times 100 divided by 45 gives you a 6 2/3% increase. The second example starts at 100 and goes to 42. So because you're going down, you're going to end with a percent decrease. So 100 minus 42 is the difference over the original amount, which is 100, equals x over 100. So I do my cross products, multiply by 100, and then I divide by 100, and I end up with a 58% decrease for problem number 2. Finally, problem number 3, my original amount is 58, my new one is 75, so because I'm going up, I'll end with a percent increase. So difference over original equals x over 100. Go ahead and pause the video and find the final percent increase and put a big circle around your answer. Please pause and complete slide 69 on your own. So the difference, $12.99 minus $10.99 is 2. Over the original, $12.99 equals x over 100. If you ended with a 15% decrease, you're correct. Please pause the video again and complete 70, 71, and 72 on your own. You're finished with today's video lesson. Draw a soccer ball on slide 72. Make sure it's a good one.